Alright y'all, welcome back to another video. Today, as you can see by the title, we got another POV drive with the new Vibrant Resonators. I just got finished eating lunch, and yeah, I was making sure y'all straight. But yeah, I just got finished eating lunch, so we about to, do a little POV drive. I ain't did a POV drive in a minute, especially because, I haven't changed nothing. But now I got something changed, so I'm finna show y'all what the Vibrant Resonators sound like, you feel me? Just in the neighborhood real quick. My car dirty as hell. Hook this damn seatbelt on, hold on, tweaking. How y'all feel about the new year? I don't know if I'll upload this. Maybe this will be uploaded in 2025, I don't even know. I don't know when I'm about to upload this, but y'all still let me know if y'all was excited, or let me know one goal that y'all got for the new year, you feel me? Yeah. Oh, I hate this street. Oh, it's hella traffic. Man, we got to gun it out this bitch. So yeah, what I did to the car is I got muffler delete. As y'all seen in my previous video, I got Vibrant Resonators, and then I got 4.5 inch tips. I accidentally said 3 inch tips, but I actually got 4.5 inch tips. So yeah, this is not straight pipe, none of that bullshit. I'm trying to, I don't know, I could have bought a actual exhaust system like fully already built, but I was like, I like to experiment, you know what I'm saying? Because not everybody could afford a whole exhaust system. So I'm like, all right, let me experiment with, something, try to build something that's not gonna cost over $1,000, you know what I'm saying? Something that sounds good, that everybody could afford. And so, as I did my muffler delete video, the muffler delete doesn't sound bad at all. It's just not, overall, it's gonna be loud all the time. Now, this setup right here is loud all the time. Like, the idle's not bad, the drone's not that bad. As long as you turn the music up, not just playing. But yeah, it's not, that bad. Let me show y'all straight though. But yeah, you feel me? I ain't trying to talk too much. Y'all know me, I get to talking, I just talk all day. And yeah, it does pop. That's another thing. With the Vibrant Resonators, it does pop. Now, instead of me putting the Vibrant, okay, the Resonators are in the middle of the car, basically, underneath the car, right? So basically what I did was, I didn't have them installed in the middle of the car. I had them installed in the back. Now, I know that sounds crazy. They're installed in the back, and then right after the Vibrant Resonators is my tips, my exhaust tips, pause. So I was like, let me try something different. I'm literally just experimenting with it. Like, I just want to hear how it sounds, So I was like, let me just hear how it sounds. Let me experiment with it. And it doesn't sound bad. It pops. I've asked a whole bunch of people. Everybody says it sounds good. Doesn't sound like a trumpet, So I'll be careful on this road, y'all. I know y'all want me to get into the bid, but there be cops on this road. I just gotta chill real quick. You feel me? Can't be going too crazy. It's just chill slides, chill and sexy slides. I ain't doing no, y'all ain't about to see, look at all that. Look at the cops. Look at the cops. I told you. And guess what? They would have heard my car. Yeah, I don't know why they be braking so hard. Yeah, they would have heard my car. But it's gonna sound loud when you're on it. But like, say if you're cruising at like 60 or 70 on the highway, you're not really gonna hear it too crazy. And we about to get on the highway too, y'all, so. Actually, y'all, I'm gonna turn y'all back on when we on the highway, because we on a little traffic right now. It's, people just, people just being people right now, so yeah. Alright, y'all, my fault. I've been vibing in here. We almost to the highway, y'all. I was like, you know what, let me just turn y'all on real quick so y'all can vibe with me. Y'all can vibe with me, you feel me, you dig? I don't know what neighborhood I'm in right now. I mean, I know where I'm going, I just don't. I'm from Jersey, y'all, so I don't know where I'm at. name of things. I can't tell y'all the name of this neighborhood. I really don't know. Just cruising around to get to the highway. CC sounds so good. I wish I could pull it for y'all. I'm definitely gonna show y'all some downshifts though, but not right now because this person's, you know, going a little bit slower. But it's all right though. It's all right. Sometimes you gotta be patient and positive. You feel me? Y'all gonna hear this bit pop on the highway, I'm telling you. Hold on. Y'all heard that? Alright, highway right over here. Oh boy. Wish I could play music, but they'll copyright my ass so fast. Oh boy, bruh. Hey, what's y'all like dream car? Like that one car that y'all know y'all for sure about to get in the future? Like, let me know down in the comments below. I think mine right now, I want to keep this as a daily, and I would really want to get a Camaro SS next year. So fingers crossed, hopefully we can get that, and then, you know, I'll be able to show videos of that with y'all. And I also love that car. Look, we got another fin right here. Got a little shasha in it. Oh! Hold on, I hope y'all straight. Yeah. That's my little gold car. Camaro SS, preferably 2019 and up, you feel me? Because those come with the new body style. I want that old body style. I don't like the way it looked. My boy got an SS and that shit's fast. And it would also be my first rear-wheel drive car ever. My first car was a Mazda 6 front-wheel drive. And then this one's all-wheel drive. So we got a cop right there, undercover. I ain't do shit, Mr. Officer. Just cruising around. Talking to the vlog, you feel me? Hold on, let me see if I get it. Little downshifts for y'all. I couldn't really do it too crazy, bro. We gonna make this light, bro. But come on, come on, come on. We gonna make the light. We gonna make the light. We gonna make the light. Come on, 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 come on. All right, yeah, we gonna make the light, yes, sir. All right, we getting on the highway right now. Make sure that caught. Well, we straight. Y'all can just hear it, like, ooh! And that's stock, y'all. I'm stock. I don't got nothing done to the engine. Little tunnel work. Why everybody driving like that? Oh my God, what the fuck? She almost smacked my ass, bruh. Hey, bruh. What the fuck? No signal is crazy. Hey, bruh. And that would have been all on camera too. Yo. Like, what the hell is she doing? She wilding. Auntie in there wilding. That's the shit I be talking about, bruh. This driving shit, bruh. Alright, anyways. Back to what we was doing. So this is how it sounded on the highway. I'm gonna try to get to pop. Hold on. Y'all hear that? See, I need somebody to record how it sounds outside. I know, like, I have one clip of it popping, but I wasn't going like on the, I wasn't on the highway. It was like low speeds, but I need to hear it like on the highway. Oh, you got a bike right here. Try to see, we can see if we can get bro in the vid. Woo! Y'all, also, I've been thinking about a bike too. Like a bike not that bad, you feel me? Like, it's not crazy. It's something smooth. Just something to ride during the summer, even if it's a little grom. Like, I don't want to, for me, it's not the speed. I just want something to vibe out on, you feel me? Like, when it's hot, all right, I'm gonna ride my bike. Feel me? Something quick. I don't even think you can take a grom on the, can you take a grom on the highway? Because them shits don't even go that fast. I'll be damned. But they're not crazy expensive. They're like, I think I seen one for like 25, 100, 3,000. That's crazy. Let me give y'all a little pull. I've been chilling. Quick little pull. See, that's the thing about this shit. Like, this shit will pick up fast. Yo, them pops is crazy. I gotta, all right, if I do, I'm gonna upload like a little short so y'all can see it. Just how it sounds, highway speeds. With the pop noise and everything. The little burbles. I don't know what the hell you want to call it. It just sounds good. I can't believe I got that shit on camera, bro. Lady almost smacked into me, bro. Like, that is crazy. I'm gonna have to put that shit in slow-mo. Yo. Like, she dead was in that third lane over there. So I switched lanes to get right here. And then she just cuts across nearly inches away from my bumper, bro. That shit would have, bro, I would have been tight, bro. I would have been tight. And I would have had all that on video, too. Yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this little quick video of POV Drive, you feel me? Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, and share. And we on the road to 500 subs. And yeah, we out. Bow.